Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to download the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so basically for the Python we will be using the Jupyter Notebook to write the Python code. So first of all, here I have given one link. I will provide the same link in the description. You can check this link. So this link is for the anaconda. I will just show you. So this is that link. Okay. So once you are downloading this anaconda, and installing it will install both Python as well as Jupyter Notebook. So once you will come down here, you will get the link for the Windows. If your machine is 64-bit, go to this link, and if it is 32-bit, go to this link. Okay, and for the Mac, this one, and Linux, this is the link. So suppose for the Windows you install the 64-bit. Okay, so once this is done, after that after installing that, you will get the Jupyter launch. You can launch the Jupyter from that page also, or with this link you will get you can check here, you will get this anaconda PowerShell prompt. Okay, so once you downloaded that anaconda and after that you just install it, you will get this anaconda PowerShell. So this anaconda, you can check this one. So once you are clicking on this anaconda, okay, so suppose this one will come. Okay, here you just need to type the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and type the enter. Once you are done, after 1-2 minutes it will open this Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so after that you just need to go through this new Python and it will open the Python. Okay, so here we have so many basic functionality that I will tell you. So this one first, here Jupyter Notebook, and you will get this option for the Jupyter. From here you can start the new Python. Okay, so you will get this one. After that, just we'll learn the basic functionality of the Jupyter. So what and all functionality is there. Okay, so this one will open in the local host 8889. Okay, so here you can see we have so many things is there. If you want to save this, suppose you written some code and all and you want to save those code as a HTML or PDF or Python, you can save from here. And then we have this edit option, means you can cut the cells. So this is the cells actually. Okay, you can cut the cells, copy cells, delete cells, split cells. So many options is there. And just you want to toggle the header toolbar. You want to insert the cell above. Suppose cell above I want to insert, so I inserted this cell above to this one. So this is for the restart. Suppose you written some code and want to restart to run all the code, you can select this one. This we have so many things, and this one is to cut the selected cell. Suppose this one is a selected and want to cut it, it will cut. Okay, and we have this run option, so you can run also from this one, and from here also you can run. Suppose run cell and select below. So many options there. Few shortcut is there, keyboard shortcut. Okay, so one is like run cell and select below button. So this one for run cell and select below button, just you have to do shift plus enter. Okay, so suppose here I written one code. So shift plus enter. So this what it did, it just ran this code and it selected the next cell. Okay, so for that we have to use the shift plus enter. Then second, like suppose we want to run our code without inserting a new cell. Okay, so for that, control plus enter. Suppose you want to run this code but don't want to insert anything, any cell you don't want to insert. Okay, so this code is for the control plus enter is for the run our code without inserting a new cell below. Okay, so suppose I will select just control plus enter. So see, this one just it executed this code and it's not inserted any new cell. Okay, just executed this cell and it doesn't selected any cell or doesn't inserted any cell. Okay, so for that we'll show the control plus enter. Then third is like want to insert a new cell even if there is already an existing cell. So first option shift plus enter was there. In that case it will run the code and it will just select the below button, below cell. Okay, but if suppose already you want to insert a new cell even if there is already existing cell. Okay, so for that alt plus enter. Suppose here I inserted one cell. Okay, suppose this is the cell I inserted already, but then also I want to insert one cell after this one. So I will enter plus enter. So suppose this one just is executed as well as it inserted one cell also. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Now we have this edit mode and command mode. You can check that. Here you can see this is the edit mode. Okay, so suppose if you are inside this cell, it will become in the edit mode. But if you are outside of the cell, it will be in the command mode. Okay, and this is like you want to know the history or code of means order of code execution. Okay, suppose here you can see in the left side this is like 1 4 is coming, right? So this is the uh, how this code is executed. This is the order of the execution of the code. So first this code we executed, after that this code second number. So what can be the scenario, we don't know. Either it can happen like after executing this code we have another line of code which we executed and we deleted. Okay, that can be the one scenario. So suppose this is the one code and after that we have written 3 more code and we executed and deleted. So now fourth one is showing. And other scenario can be like here we have the same code we have executed 4 times. Suppose 3 times we executed, so number 4 is coming. So exactly we don't know what we did for this code, how we run or we deleted or what modification we did here. So to know that one we have the syntax. Okay, so that syntax is this one. Okay, to know the history of the code. So to know the history of the code, so this is the syntax to know the history of the code. Okay, so we'll just see the history of the code, how we did. See, so this one is showing the history of the course. First we executed this print code. This code we executed and after that 3 times we have executed this code and after that we executed the syntax. So it will show the complete history. So it will be helpful if you are like you don't know what and all is done. And suppose now if we'll run completely from the starting. Okay, run all. So again see, this is coming 7 8 9. Okay, so what is done actually? So here it will give the history, what and all is done. First we have run this code, and after that this code is run 3 times, and then this history piece 2 times, and then again we run this code, and then this code and history, like this. So it is helpful to know the history of the code execution. Okay, then we have the last markdown cell. We say what is the markdown cell. Suppose you are writing some code and you want to describe like which kind of code you have written, what functionality it will do. For that you can make, we have this option here. Okay, you can convert one cell into markdown cell. So suppose here right now this is the code, and you want to write something heading also. Okay, if you are making it as a markdown, suppose you made it as a markdown, here you have written something. Okay, suppose this one you made. Okay, now if you just run this one, see, this is the like this cell was the markdown cell. So this we use this markdown to describe the code, about the code, what this code functionality and all everything. Okay, so this is the just a basic thing. Okay, many feature is available in this, many shortcut keys is available, so you can go through the shortcut keys and all. This is the basic thing which I have given here, and I will provide this link in the description. Okay, so you can go through it. Okay, thank you. In the next video we learn the basics of the Python. Okay, thank you for watching.